Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 8.4 from 7 part of question number 5. Okay, so this is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta on 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, so we have to prove this trigonometric identity sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta on 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Okay, so I will consider LHS part of this trigonometric identity, and with the help of this we have to show RHS part, means tan theta. Okay, so LHS part, this is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay, in numerator and denominator, in numerator we have sin theta common and denominator cos theta common. Okay, so this expression become sin theta, and this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by cos theta and 1 and 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now in denominator, using the identity cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, using, so denominator becomes, this is sin theta upon 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta in bracket. Okay, so cos square written in term of 1 minus sin square theta, so therefore this becomes 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, so now this becomes sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta in bracket, this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here we can cancel in numerator and denominator, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this is only sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta, this becomes tan theta. Okay, so this is the RHS part. So therefore we have shown LHS equal to RHS. LHS part equal to RHS part. Okay, okay children, now move to the 8th part of question number 5. This is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equal to 7 plus tan a square plus cot a square. Okay, so with the help of LHS part we have to show RHS. Okay, so I will show with the help of LHS to RHS part. So LHS, this is sin a plus now expanding sin a plus cos a whole square by using identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this is sin a square plus cosec square plus 2 sin a into cosec a plus, and similarly cos a plus sec a whole square, so this is plus cos a square plus sec a square plus 2 cos a into sec a. Okay, so combining sin square and cos square, this is the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is sin square a plus cos square a plus sin a into cosec a. So sin a into cosec a, this value is 1, so this is 2 plus, and here same cos a plus sec a, this value is 2, so this is 2 plus cosec square a plus this is sec square a. Okay, cosec square a plus sec square a. So this value is 1, so this is 1 plus 4. Okay, so here tan square and cot square to a is required. So using identity cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta and sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this is 1 plus cot square a plus this is 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, this is 7 plus this is tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, so dear children, this is RHS part. Okay, RHS part 1 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so this is the proof. Okay, dear children, move to the 9th part. This is trigonometric identity cosec a minus sin a in one bracket and sec a minus cos a other bracket equal to 1 upon sin a plus cot a. Okay, so this is we have to solve. So dear children, we have to simplify the given identity LHS and RHS part separately. Okay, so first I will simplify LHS part. This is cosec a minus sin a sec a plus minus cos a. Okay, so this written as in term of sin, so this is 1 upon sin a minus sin a sec expressed in term of cos, So this is 1 upon cos A minus cos A. Now taking LCM over here, so this becomes 1 minus sin square A upon sin A, and this becomes 1 minus cos square A by cos A. Okay, so this is the cos square identity using identity. So using identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, so 1 minus sin square A, right, cos square A, and this is sin A into, and 1 minus cos square A, written sin square A, and this is a cos A. Okay, so here sin A, sin cancel, cos cancel. So this is get sin A and cos A after simplification. Okay, sin A to cos A. So this is the, here we have got after simplification cos A minus sin A and sec A minus cos A. Now I will simplify RHS part. This is RHS. This is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So this is written as sin by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Okay, now simplify. So this becomes sin square A plus cos square A by sin A into cos A. So this is the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. Its value equal to 1, and after simplification this we will get sin A into cos A. Okay, so here LHS and RHS part, okay, are equal. Okay, so therefore LHS equal to RHS. So this is the proof of identity cos A minus sin A, sec A minus cos equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Okay, okay dear children, further move to the 10th part of question number 5. This is the last question of exercise 8.4. Okay, the identity is given 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A equal to tan square A. Okay, we have to prove all 3 parts of these trigonometric identities. Okay, so dear children, first I will solve 1 plus tan square A plus 1 upon cot square A. So this is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Now using identity, using identity over here, sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square a, and cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square a. Okay, so this become sec square a by cosec square a. Sec square expressed in cos, in term of cos, so this is 1 upon cos square a upon cosec square expressed in term of sin, so this is 1 upon sin square, and now simplify, so this will be sin square a upon cos square. Okay, sin upon cos, which is equal to tan. Okay, so this is tan square. So here we have so 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square, which is equal to tan square a, and similarly we have to show 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a equal to tan square a. Okay, so this is 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a expressed tan in term of sin into cos, so this is sin a by cos a upon 1 minus, this is cos a by sin a. Now simplify, so this become cos a minus sin a upon cos a by, over here this is sin a minus cos a, sin a minus cos a by sin a. Okay children, again simplify, so this become cos a minus sin a into sin a upon sin a minus cos a into cos a. Okay dear children, this is the whole square. Okay, 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square, so this is whole square and this is whole square, this is square and this is square and square, this is square, this is square and square. Here we can note this is cos a minus sin a whole square, sin a minus cos a square. Okay, so taking a negative as a common, then this become sin a minus cos enter now. Okay, so this is minus 1 whole square and this becomes sin a minus cos a whole square into sin square a by sin a minus cos a whole square upon cos square a. Okay, so here we can cancel out and square minus 1 is 1. So this is sin square a upon cos square a, which is equal to tan square a. Okay, so dear children, we have to show 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square is equal to 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot whole square equal to tan square a. Okay.